If you are looking for an easy apple cake, then Southern German apple fritters are exactly what you need. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. There are two ways to make this delicious apple fritters, and if you stay with me, I show you both. Then you can decide which suits you better. For the classic version you don't need much, but you need a little bit more effort than the second version. Put 200 grams all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add the pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix everything and add 150 ml milk to it. Here's the main difference of these two ways. Separate 2 eggs and toss the egg yolk to your flour mixture and mix it uniform. Beat the egg white stiff and gently fold it into the batter. The batter is puffed up and fluffy as you can see. Perfect. The second version is easier and faster, but which one turns better you can decide at the end. For this you need also 200 grams all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons starch to give the batter more thickness, 1 teaspoon baking powder to give the fritters more volume and mix it well. Now add 150 ml milk. And crack 2 whole eggs and mix everything uniform. We don't need to separate the egg and beat the white in this version, and that's why we had to add starch and baking powder. Both batters, the classic puffy one and the fast easy one with baking powder. The classic has already volume because of the egg white. When the batter is done, we start with the apples. If you do it earlier, they get brown. So first the batter, then the apples. Push the corer carefully through and turn it to remove the apple core. 4 big apples are needed for these 2 batters. I peel the apples, but you don't have to do it if you like the skin. Cut them in 2½ cm or 1 inch slices. You will need also 100 grams all-purpose flour for pre-coating. Heat up frying oil in a deep pan or in a pot up to 160 Celsius. Let's start with the classic. First coat the apple rings with flour and then in the batter. Turn the apple rings in the batter until they are fully covered. Then let them gently slide into the oil. Be careful, hot oil can burn you seriously and that's no fun. After 2 minutes, turn the fritters carefully. They're looking like donuts, aren't they? When the fritters getting golden brown, remove them from the oil and let them rest on a cake rack. Fry the second version the same. We didn't use so much sugar in the batter, and the reason is, right now, after they are ready, we coat them with sugar and cinnamon. For that we mix 100 grams sugar with a half teaspoon cinnamon. Turn the fritters in the sugar mix and serve it right away. They are the best when they are fresh. Here are the fritters. Left side we got the fast and the easy fritters, and on the right side the classic ones. The classic ones are puffy and stay that way. The easy ones tend to collapse soon. But now you can see the difference better when I try them. The fast and the easy ones are yummy. You first taste the fruity sour and then the sweet cinnamon kick. The classic ones taste the same, but they are fluffy and that makes them more delicious and enjoyable. My opinion here, with a little bit more effort you get better result. I stay with the classic recipe. You can serve it with vanilla ice cream or vanilla sauce if you want, and surprise friends and family with this dessert. If you liked the video, give me a thumb up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.